Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So I think we can keep it quite short. There's no real change to the last update. The market rather seems to be consolidating in the resistance area. Yeah, we had a resistance area defined between $1.77 and $2.10, and I highlighted to you that I need to see a break above $2.10 to suggest that something more bullish is playing out. Now that could simply be a larger wave 4. So the idea is still that we are in this descending price channel here, obviously in a so-called ending diagonal pattern. It's an Elliott wave pattern in which we've seen from this October 2023 high, which was formed at around $3.59. We've seen a wave 1. We've seen a wave 2 corrective rally. We've seen, well, wave 3 may be complete, but in my interpretation, wave 3 should get one more low, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. This wave 3 here was already long enough from a Fibonacci extension level point of view to call it complete. So it reached a 1.618 extension. Next support would be at $1. Oh, 1 second. I want to add the 1.786 extension level as well. So next support is at 146 and then 132. The 146 level is a likely next support, and then 132. These are two more levels that should be considered. And in my primary scenario, I would prefer, it just would look better if it would form one more low in wave 3. And then we should still get another 4-5 pattern as it seems. Yeah? So looking at the 1 hour chart, so basically in the preferred scenario, one more low from here, then wave 4, then wave 5. In the alternative, we are already in this Roman wave 4, which could go a little higher, and I would then pay attention to the upper boundary line of the trend channel for possible resistance. At the moment, you see here the microstructure of this third wave that probably isn't finished. It's an ABC structure, so we had the A wave, B wave, here, and the C wave down is unfolding right now. And the C wave is obviously a 5-wave pattern, how it should be. And we completed waves 1, 2, 3, and we're likely now in wave 4 with, as I said, resistance between $1.77 and $2.10. And it's already formed a nice ABC structure in this wave 4, and I think it's ready for a drop. No confirmation it's starting to drop other than a small red candle there. I think a break below $1, what is that? $1.77, this swing low would be an indication that we are starting wave 5. We have done what we need to do in this C wave. If we measure the target for the C wave, it's of the first level to watch is typically here the 100% extension at 186. Yeah, I mean the market could not sustain above that level, right? So maybe this C wave is in and the wave 5 is starting. It's just worth watching now. It's just worth watching. So what we can also do, you will see that if we add a trend line here, maybe not the best trend line in the world, but it's broken, okay? So it's just something to watch, and possibly this wave 5 is unfolding. I gave you the support levels for that wave 5. Also pay attention to the lower boundary line of the trend channel as possible support level. And yeah, if it continues to keep high, to go higher, then $10 and not $10, $2.10 is the next resistance. And only above that level, I would argue we are already in the larger 4th wave. Basically here, Roman wave 4, before then wave 5 to the downside is starting to unfold. So we have probably not, at least not in my interpretation, reached a long-term low yet. I think we are close, especially considering from where we come from. And because I see this decline as a wave 2 correction, a large wave 2 correction, a third wave to the upside should follow, which could be quite bullish and actually lead to substantial and medium-term, long-term price increases. That's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find a link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.